A vest should cover your waistband and hug your torso to create a clean silhouette when the jacket is removed, so you'll need to use the adjustable strap in the back. Fasten a few buttons just to evaluate the initial fit. A vest should be snug but not tight. To adjust the fit, simply remove the vest. Then, tighten or loosen it using the adjustable buckle on the strap and back. Repeat the try-on and adjust process until it looks and fits great. I usually get it in one try, but not everybody can. Then, button all the buttons except for the bottom one, which is traditionally left undone.